from Alpha Traders here. Just give you a little midday workout. Obviously, CPI numbers came in today and they were hot, but market shook them off. A lot of fake breakdowns into an absolute ripper. If you caught that on futures this morning, congratulations. That was a great play. Let's take a look here where we're at noon Eastern. As you can see, SPY right on the megaphone trend line. This is on the daily. Huge megaphone trend line, still riding the waves. We're doing really well with it. It's tapped the 8-day and bounced again. It's been tapping the 8-day and bouncing pretty much since this reclaim of the 8-day on June 3rd. So as you can see, every tap of the 8-day, this red line right here, you're going to be able to get a trade. So that's what we've been playing, is kind of the tap, if we're able to. As you can see, it popped right there, got right to this megaphone resistance on the daily. Through this, we're going to have a mega bull run, probably to 430 easily, maybe even higher to 432. It needs to get through here, though, let's get that number for everybody, at 424.63. We sold our calls here. Once we got the dip, we bought calls and popped right back in, and we sold them real quick, and then we waited, let it drop, touch the 8-day again. I'm sorry, touched this high right here, previous day's high. Once it reclaimed 423.26, we were on a roll. 65 minute. Again, I'm doing this real time for you guys, so I'm looking at this as you can see my thoughts as it comes across. 65 minute, you see that pop. We got to 424.26. See, we popped all the way back down here. We actually bought calls here and here. We didn't get all the way at the bottom. You're never going to be able to catch that, down way at the bottom. That's always tough. I don't know if anybody caught 421.74. If you did, congratulations. I don't know that any of us are that good, but if you did, you are awesome, amazing. Actually, it's not even that. It's 421.58. Played this, sold half already up here near the top, 420, I think it was 423.50. We sold half of our position on the 423 calls. We still have 424s. As soon as it reclaims this area here, this high, it's 423.77. Right now it's 423.47. Excuse me. Once it reclaims this, we should see high of the day again. It probably won't go today, but tomorrow I wouldn't be surprised if tomorrow is an actual trend day and we can get a nice little pump, 2-3 points out of this tomorrow, as long as no adverse news. Qs pretty much leading us money, rotating from the memes, the AMCs, the GameStops, whatnot, rotating back into tech, into growth. Yields are down, and the 10-year yields are down. I think I saw something over the last 3 months, they're down 15%, and everybody was screaming, oh my God, get out of growth, and we've been playing growth the whole time, so it's been pretty good. I think we've been doing pretty well. 340.45 on the Qs here. It's painting inside. It's double inside bars on the 65, looking good. If you can take out this high, we could get back to here, and then we'll see. Q's looking good so far. Got the IWM taking a back seat here. If you look on the daily, actually, it's about to hit the 8-day. It's probably a good place to buy. It's literally sitting right above the 8-day, which is, bullish retest. It had such a monster move. I could have done a better job managing my IWM calls yesterday and the day before. I didn't do as good of a job as I should have. Did a relative strength reversal here. Now it's back down the 8-day. We'll see how it reacts here at the 8-day. There might be a scalp trade or it might be a pop, because if we can get back to 234.52, this is either going to be a double top down. If it breaks the 8-day, I'll probably cut my calls. I think they'll be a little bit red, and we'll go from there. A lot of rebalancing in the Russell, a lot of rebalancing in general. We have SPX roll happening right now. Some names I want to get into real quick. I don't want you guys to be here all day. AMC just absolutely falling on its face. Fell out of the channel. Sorry, my mouse is just acting weird. On the daily, it fell out of the channel. 39.95 is the next level here for me. On the 65 minute, all the memes are just falling. Some people are saying buy the dip. I'm saying don't touch it. I lost money. I think I made $90,000 somewhere in there up to here, and then on the way down I lost probably 12 to 15. So net 70,000, somewhere in there. That was a pretty good trade. Let it leave, let it sit. GME, even on news, just not good. The offering really killed it. I think everybody likes Cohen. I think everybody likes these guys. But 65 minutes tells you the whole story you need to know. You might get a little bump right here, 241. Really, I'd be looking at the hourly 215 over here. I think this is a good place to actually go long again. So we'll wait and see. Sentiment check, Apple, having a great day. It's had a really good day. I'm worried about this double top on the hourly, but it wasn't really a double top. It was just kind of, it's fading back down and just, but once it reclaims this 200 again, this is where your trade is. Every time it reclaims this 65-minute 200, it's trade. Literally every single time. And on both sides, really, you can play this if you wanted to play it. You know, you get a scalp dollar here, scalp dollar there. You can really go. Something interesting is Tesla. It's actually showing some relative strength here on the 65-minute. You can actually see it may get to the 635 by the end of the week. You can see the volume is there. This volume is here. It's not like it's just dead. Now it's painted, double inside bar. If it paints a triple, I would expect this end of day to get back to 615, possibly 623. With Tesla, you never know. This is a big one here, the 65-200 at 625. That'll be a good resistance point. Through that, it should pop another 10 points. I don't think it will, but I would like to see this get back to 623. I think that'd be great. Just touching growth, SE, just monster move. A big upgrade today. I mean, it just keeps going up and up and up. I'm actually looking to get into calls here on the break of 272.18. I'd like to get to 276, so I might get that for tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. NVIDIA. We had a nice trade in NVIDIA this morning. Caught the bottom. Made about 30%. We bought next week's on purpose. It fell out and reclaimed. It's getting tight in here. I expect another test of 710. Really needs 706. 706 gets it to 712. Look for it to go. This stock split is so bullish on it. I'm not sure anybody can say that it's not. So last one we want to go over is Roku. We're in the 350s for next week. Shave some off here. Once it touched 350, we shave some. Again, you're seeing a lot of the same setups in tech and in growth. You're seeing these double inside bars. And as soon as either one of these, the high or the low, gets taken out on these inside bars, you know which way the direction's going. So stay safe. It was a good trades if you got them today. Right now it's just kind of chopped. It's kind of falling a little bit. Stay safe out there. Check us out, alphatraders.com. Tweet us at alphatraders Inc. I'm DP. I'll see you guys later.